A very good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. We have started our revision in maths. I have taken also one test in the Google form. I hope that you all are studying regularly. You are revising your revision worksheet. You are solving the questions also. So today I will be discussing with you the question paper that I have given you in the Google form. You were having the few doubts and queries regarding that. Students, whenever I am taking the question, whenever I am taking the test, you must not send at that time questions or answers or any other queries, because the students, they are doing the test at that time. We can discuss it later on also. So I will be discussing the answers of that question paper today. Place value chart. You know how to draw the place value chart? It is having ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. These are the period. What is this called as? Ones, thousand, lakh, crore. This is the period. This ones period, it is further subdivided into the 3 columns. Thousand period is subdivided into 2 columns. Lakhs also subdivided into 2 columns. Crores, it is subdivided into 2 columns. Now I have written here a number. What is this number? It is 12 crore 64 lakh 38,215. So if I ask you what is the period of 5, what is the period of 5? So it is ones. Period is ones. And what is the place value? Place value is tens. Got it? You were getting confused about the period and the place value. Let us take another example. If I ask you, students, what is the period of 3? What is the period of 3 in this number? The period, it is 1000. And what is the place value? Place value, it is 10,000. If I take this number 2. If I ask you, what is the period of 2? So period is this ones. And what is the place value? It is 100. How will we writing this number? By putting commas. First we will be putting the comma after the 3 digit, because it is the ones period. Ones period, it contains ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred and comma. Thousand period, it contains 2 columns. So comma after 2 number. Lakhs period, after 2 number comma. Like this way we used to put the comma and we used to write the number. The next is the expanded form. In the expanded form, I have given you this number, that is 7,56,123. The most of you have done this question right. I have corrected this question also. Those who have done this have got the number. Yes, the expanded form, mostly most of the students have done it correctly. If you have done this, then I have corrected this question. I have made the correction. This one, it is the right one answer. The next in the question paper was about the successor and the predecessor. Successor and predecessor also all of the students, they have done right. Students, whenever the test it is going on, also no need to send a screenshot of the test paper or your score, because at that time when you are doing the test, we are also online. We are able to see your response. We are able to see your each and every question. Individual students, we are used to visualize whatever you are doing. So no need to send it at that time. So if I take the test next time, be careful about it. No need to send the screenshot of your score. No need to send the screenshot of the questions, because we have it, and we also come to know about your response. Successor and predecessor. This is also clear for you. What is the successor and predecessor? Predecessor means with the given number you have to subtract 1. You have to subtract 1 to the given number, and successor means you have to add 1 to the given number. So I have discussed you the question paper, your queries related to your question paper. In the previous class, I have uploaded a video of the Roman numeral. I have also given you the worksheet of the Roman numeral. I hope that you have done the worksheet. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. Keep practicing maths. More you will practice, more the perfection will come. God bless you all. Thank you.